Mistplay not loading games is usually caused by a broken session link, blocked permissions, or a game that is no longer supported in your region or account tier. By the end of this, you'll know how to fix loading errors, get games to open from Mistplay again, and stop the endless loading screen problem. First thing to check is how you're launching the game. Mistplay only tracks and loads games correctly when they're opened directly from inside the Mistplay app. If you try opening the game from your home screen or recent apps, it can fail to connect the session. Close everything, reopen Mistplay and launch the game again from inside the app. Next, check your internet connection. Mistplay relies on a stable connection to verify your account and load available games. If your connection is weak or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, games can get stuck on loading screens. Turn off Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa, and retrieve the game launch. Another common issue is outdated app versions. If Mistplay or the game itself hasn't been updated, the handshake between the apps can fail. Go to the App Store or Google Play, update both Mistplay and the game you're trying to open, then restart your phone before trying again. Now check permissions. Mistplay needs background access to properly connect game sessions. If battery saver or app restrictions are turned on, they can block the loading process. Go into your phone settings, find Mistplay, and allow background activity. Also disable battery optimization for Mistplay if that option exists on your device. If games still won't load, the problem may be corrupted app data. Cached files can break session loading and cause infinite loading screens. On Android, clear the cache inside Mistplay settings. If that doesn't help, clear storage data and log back in. On iPhone, uninstalling and reinstalling the app will reset this automatically. Also check if the specific game is still available in your Mistplay list. Some games get removed or temporarily disabled, and trying to launch them results in a loading loop instead of an error message. If nothing works, reinstall Mistplay completely. Delete the app, restart your phone, then reinstall from the official store to reset all session links and permissions. Most loading issues come down to broken session tracking, unstable internet, or outdated app versions. Always launch games from inside Mistplay, keep both apps updated, and make sure background restrictions are turned off. If this fixed your issue, like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes for Mistplay and other reward apps.